See him? Moving, he's moving. Oh,
Gar. Right at it. Come on, hit it. There was something right there. You see the bubbles?
go.
This is a... Okay, so we're right over here. We're just trying to catch some bass on topwater. So we got hit once already. There's a little bass. He was only like that big though. We're gonna try to catch at least a few fish, and if we don't catch anything, there probably won't be a video then. So hopefully we catch one. Bro, I'm pretty sure something hit that. I'm telling you, something hit that.
I saw a ripple.
That was not my bait.
So he just hit it.
He did?
There's a bass right there.
For real?
Yeah, you see him? Moving, he's moving. Oh,
Dang it. There was a few. I thought he had it. No, don't scare him. Catch him. Jeez. It's perfect topwater conditions today, though.
Oh, it's a big turtle coming through.
That could have...
It wasn't a bat, it was a cichlid.
Oh, it was a cichlid?
Yeah, but look, see, they're eating the lily pad.
It's at least a fish. Oh, great. It's raining.
Yo,
What was
that?
That was a bass?
He tried to eat the lily pad. He thought my bait was the lily pad. There's actually a good topwater spot.
I know. I've never even tried topwater.
If it's raining, we could always just go out.
Alright, I'll go out in the rain, like, as long as my phone doesn't get wet, because I'm catching fish, I don't care. At least we got hit a little. Bro, what is that?
What?
Oh, they're mullet.
That's a peacock right there.
There's mullet and that gar. I'm catching this thing.
Yo, we can catch him with those. Those would be easy to catch. A gar?
Yeah. Oh, you scared him. You scared him, bro. He went after it, but he's right at it. Come on, hit it. Oh, I had him.
With gar, you gotta do it like this.
Really?
Okay, so they could like actually, I don't know what
Oh, I see it. Come on, hit that. Set it. Let's go. Oh, you had that. Let's not go too far because my bag is still over there. Oh, you had.
I'm really happy I didn't bring my bike with me.
Yeah.
Rainwater isn't bad for it, as long as it's dry and all. Oh!
Come on, please get hit.
That's exactly where I got hit.
Please get hit. I thought he had it the second time.
Oh, you saw that?
Yeah. They're hitting. Come on. Please be a fish under this thing. You did? Let me try to take my bait over it.
It's like the rock bait right in the rock.
Oh, really? That's what I was going to try next. I'm gonna try to cast under that dock. There could still be something down there. There was something right there. You see the bubbles?
Go!
Oh!
Oh! Yo! It's huge! It's huge!
Tension on line. Holy. What is this?
It's a giant bass.
It is?
I thought it was a largemouth, bro.
It looks like it. Let me fight it for a second. Holy crap, that thing is giant. Holy crap! This thing is the biggest peacock. Let's go.
I thought that was a giant largemouth, bro.
He
I saw that thing coming and slammed it.
and it was when I was popping it. Oh my gosh!
I thought it was a big...
Finally! You don't know how much I love this fish.
It looks like the big one, bro. That caught.
I know.
Maybe a little smaller. I don't know, but...
Holy! Go! Let's go! This is a giant.
Compare that to the rod.
Let's go. My rod's a 6-foot rod. That's a freaking giant. That is a freaking giant. Hold up. Get my scale, cause I can.
Oh, I should've got... I had my scale.
No, get mine. It's in the front. It's in my front pocket. Holy crap!
Right here?
Oh my gosh! Yeah, in there. Oh my gosh! I'm not. Actually, I'll weigh him in a second when he gets a little tired out. Cause look, if I weigh him right now, he's gonna flop.
No, I'm trying to...
Look at the mouth on this thing. Look at the freaking. Look at this freaking fish in the rain.
Ready?
No, just measure it.
Mine, 'cause mine's a little longer.
Measure it right now. Measure it right now. In that thing. Measure it. Take it out. Alright. Right there. With the tail.
18 and a half.
18 and a half. That's a giant peacock, guys.
This...
He's gonna flop and hurt himself. I don't want to hurt him, but he's skinny, so he's probably only 3.5. That is a giant fish. 18 and a half inches. That is a huge peacock.
Yo.
Let's go. I'm so happy. Please get that. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. We weren't able to catch any more fish and it's already dark, so comment what you want to see next and we'll see you guys next time.